नमो नमः। सर्वेषां पुनरेकवारं हार्दं स्वागतम्. Students, in today's session we are going to continue with the chapter Savitri Bai Phule. As the title itself indicates, the lesson gives us information about the life and work of one of the most inspiring Indian women from history, Savitri Bai Phule. We have already started with the chapter. In today's session, we are going to see the remaining part of it. So let's continue with the lesson Savitri Bai Phule.
Here is the Gadyamshaha. I'll read it out. महिला सेवा मंडल शिशुहत्या प्रतिबंधक गृहम् इत्यादीनां संस्थानां स्थापनायां फुले दम्पत्योः अवदानं महत्वपूर्णम्. सत्यशोधक मंडलस्य गतिविधिषु अपि सावित्री अतीव सक्रिया आसीत्. अस्य मंडलस्य उद्देश्यम् आसीत् उत्पीडितानां समुदायानां स्वाधिकारान् प्रति जागरणम् इति. I hope you have understood the pronunciation of words. Students, in this Gadyamshaha, there is no example of Sandhihi or Sanyogah. So let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshaha. महिला सेवा मंडल शिशुहत्या प्रतिबंधक गृहम् इत्यादीनां संस्थानां स्थापनायां फुले दंपत्योः अवदानं महत्वपूर्णम्. संस्थानां स्थापनायां means in the foundation of the organizations such as Mahila Seva Mandal, Shishuhatya Pratibandhaka Gruham, etc. Fule Dampatyoho means of Fule couple. Avadanam means contribution. Mahatvapurnam means important. The meaning of the sentences: the contribution of Fule couple in the foundation of the organizations such as Mahila Seva Mandala, that is Women's Service Organization, and Shishuhatya Pratibandhaka Gruham, that is Infanticide Prohibition Home, is indeed important. सत्यशोधक मंडलस्य गतिविधिषु अपि सावित्री अतीव सक्रिया आसीत्. गतिविधिषु means in the activities. Ativa Sakriya, very active. Asit was. Savitri was very active in the activities of Satyashodhak Mandal as well. Satyashodhak Mandal is also known as Social Reform Society. अस्य मंडलस्य उद्देश्यम् आसीत् उत्पीडितानां समुदायानां स्वाधिकारान् प्रति जागरणम् इति. अस्य मंडलस्य उद्देश्यम्, उद्देश्यम् means objective, आसीत् was, उत्पीडितानां समुदायानां of oppressed communities, स्वाधिकारान् प्रति regarding their rights. Jagaranam means creating awareness. The meaning of the sentence is: the objective of this mandal was to create awareness amongst the oppressed communities regarding their rights. The objective of this mandal was to create awareness amongst the oppressed communities regarding their rights. I hope you have understood the translation.
Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshaha. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The word Mahatvapurnam is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Avadanam. The word Sakriya is the Visheshanam of the word Savitri. And the word Utpiditanam is the Visheshanam of the word Samudayanam.
Now, let's move on to the Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani based on the given Gadyamshaha. Here are the Paryaya Pade. Yogadanam, the Paryaya Padam is Avadanam, and Hetuhu, the Paryaya Padam is Uddeshyam. there is only one Viloma Padam. Nishkriya, the Viloma Padam is Sakriya. Now let me explain an important rule of Upapad Vibhaktihi with the help of an example given in this Gadyamshaha. It is Swadhikaran Prati. The word Swadhikaran is used in Dvitiya Vibhaktihi, and the reason is the use of Prati. Prati, this indeclinable governs Dvitiya Vibhaktihi.
Savitribai Phule was a pioneer who is remembered for advocating big changes in caste-based Indian society. I hope you have understood this Gadyamshaha. Now let's see the Agrimaha Gadyamshaha.
Atrasti Agrimaha Gadyamshaha. Aham Gadyamsham Pathami. Savitri Anekaha Samsthaha Prashasana Kaushalena Sanchalitavati. दुर्भिक्षकाले प्लेगकाले च सा पीडितजनानाम् अश्रान्तं अविरतं च सेवाम् अकरोत्. सहायता सामग्री व्यवस्थायै सर्वथा प्रयासम् अकरोत्. महारोग प्रसार काले सेवारता सा स्वयं असाध्य रोगेण ग्रस्ता. 798 ख्रिस्ताब्दे निधनं गता. Students, there is no example of Sandhihi or Sanyogaha in the given Gadyamshaha. So let me take you to the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshaha. Savitri anekaha samsthaha prashasana kaushalena sanchalitavati. Anekaha samsthaha, many organizations. Prashasana kaushalena, with her administrative skills. Sanchalitavati means operated. Savitri operated many organizations with her administrative skills. Durbhiksha kale, plague kale cha sa pidita jananam ashrantam aviratam cha sevam akarot. Durbhiksha kale, during the period of famine. Plague kale cha, and during the period of plague pandemic. Pidita jananam, of the infected people. Ashrantam, without getting tired. Aviratam means continuously. Sevam akarot means she served. During the period of famine and plague pandemic, she continuously served the infected people without getting tired. Sahayata samagri vyavasthayai sarvatha prayasam akarot. Sahayata samagri means relief supplies. Vyavasthayai, for making arrangement of. Sarvatha, in every possible way. Prayasam akarot, she strived. She strived for making arrangement of relief supplies in every possible way. Maharoga prasara kale sevarata sa swayam asadhya rogena grasta. 798 ख्रिस्ताब्दे निधनं गता. Maharoga prasara kale means during the period of pandemic. Sevarata sa, she who was engrossed in serving others. Swayam asadhya rogena grasta, contracted the incurable disease herself. 798 ख्रिस्ताब्दे निधनं गता, and she died in the year 1897 AD. The meaning of the sentence is, during the period of pandemic, she contracted or got infected with the incurable disease herself and died in the year 1897 AD. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshaha. The word anekaha is the visheshanam of the word samsthaha, and the word sevarata is the visheshanam of the pronoun sa, which is used for Savitribai Phule. Now let's move on to the Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani based on the given Gadyamshaha. Here are the Paryaya Pade. The word is Akhanditam and the Paryaya Padam is Aviratam. Prayatnam, the Paryaya Padam is Prayasam. And there is only one Viloma Padam. Shrantam, the Viloma Padam is Ashrantam.
Savitribai Phule was a prominent social reformer. The rich legacy of good reforms left behind by her continues to inspire generations. I hope you have understood this Gadyamshaha as well. Let me take you to the Agrimaha Gadyamshaha.
Here is the next Gadyamshaha. I'll read it out. Sahitya Rachanaya api Savitri Mahiyate. Tasyaha Kavya Sankalanadvayam Vartate. काव्यफुले सुबोधरत्नाकर चेति. भारतदेशे महिलोत्थानस्य गहनावबोधाय सावित्री महोदयायाः जीवनचरितम् अवश्यम् अध्येतव्यम्. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah from the given Gadyamshaha. Cheti Mahilothanasya Gahanavabodhaya. These three are the examples of sandhihi. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Cheti, the sandhi vichchedah is cha plus iti. Mahilothanasya, this word has internal sandhihi and the dissolution is mahila plus utthanasya. Gahanavabodhaya, this word also has an internal sandhihi and the dissolution is gahana plus avabodhaya. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the given Gadyamshaha. Sahitya Rachanaya api Savitri Mahiyate. Sahitya Rachanaya, due to her literary composition. Savitri Mahiyate. Mahiyate means is highly honored. Savitri is highly honored due to her literary composition as well. Tasyaha Kavya Sankalanadvayam Vartate. Kavya Phule Subodha Ratnakar Cheti. Kavya Sankalanadvayam means two poetry collections. There are two poetry collections of her, Kavya Phule and Subodha Ratnakara. Bharatadeshe Mahilothanasya Gahanavabodhaya Savitri Mahodayayaha Jeevanacharitam Avashyam Adhyetavyam. Bharatadeshe, in India, Mahilothanasya, of the development of women. Gahanavabodhaya, Gahana means deeply. Avabodhaya, in order to understand. Savitri Mahodayayaha Jeevanacharitam, the biography of respected Savitri. Avashyam Adhyetavyam, should necessarily be studied. The meaning of the sentence is, in order to understand the development of women in India deeply, the biography of respected Savitri should necessarily be studied. I hope you have understood the translation. In this Gadyamshaha, there is no pair of Visheshan Visheshya Padam. So let me take you to the Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani based on the given Gadyamshaha. Here are the Paryaya Pade. Vikasasya athava unnatehe, the Paryaya Padam is Utthanasya, and Jnanaya, the Paryaya Padam is Avabodhaya. Students, there is no Viloma Padam based on the given Gadyamshaha.
That brings us to the end of the presentation. We will meet again with the next part in which we are going to discuss the Abhyasaha based on the lesson. Dhanyavadaha Punarmilamah.